Hi guys, this is Dr. Gans here. I'm a senior doctor working in Switzerland. So there is a massive shortage of doctors and nurses in Switzerland and in Germany. So if anyone is interested in working in these countries, this is the time to apply. Especially in Germany, the shortage is so severe that several hospitals have had to close down, especially in the countryside. So Germany is desperately looking for doctors. So if anybody wants to do their residency in Germany, this is the time to apply. Compared to other countries, I think personally that it's much easier to do your residency in Germany, say compared to the US or Australia or the UK. Even the exam, there's no written exam, it's just a Viva exam to get your registration. Opportunities are open in every field of post-graduation or residency, whether it's cardiology, pediatrics, cardiac surgery, anesthesia. There's massive vacancy, especially in psychiatry, anesthesia, and internal medicine. It's slightly more difficult in plastic surgery, pediatrics, and maybe say dermatology, but even these fields are possible if you've had a couple of years of experience. And mind you, residency in Germany is slightly different compared to other countries in the sense that if you want to change your residency, let's say you've done a year of pediatrics and you don't want to do it anymore, or 6 months of pediatrics, and you want to change over, you can change over with no problems at all. You can start a new residency, and the time you've done in pediatrics can sometimes be counted over for say internal medicine, similar for surgical branches. Some of the smaller hospitals are in dire need of doctors, especially in the countryside. I have personally seen at least 3 hospitals closed down because of lack of doctors. So the new government that's come in has introduced a lot of new laws so that it's easier for foreign doctors to start their residency in Germany, and then easier even to get a permanent residency and eventually citizenship within a span of, let's say, 6 years. I've looked around and found no particular coherent pathway that's been described for doctors to start working in Germany. So this is why I've started this channel. I want to help those doctors who want to do their residency here. Stick around and I will describe in detail how you could start your residency in Germany. Basically, the pathway to start your residency in Germany consists of 3 main steps. The first step is learn the language, and trust me, it is much easier than you would imagine. Number 2, pass the Fachsprachenprüfung, which is the case-taking exam. It's an oral Viva exam that is around 40 minutes in duration, usually around 40 minutes. And number 3, the third exam, is the approbation or the permanent registration exam. This also is an oral exam. So there are no written exams. It's just oral exams and the language certificate, and age is not a barrier. Of course, prior experience is a huge advantage. For example, if you've been a pediatrician in your home country and you've been working there for 5 to 10 years, or you've done 2 years of residency in your home country, you have a great chance of working in pediatrics here as well. In fact, you can get some of those residency time recognized in Germany. For example, if you've done 2 years of pediatrics, you might be able to get those 2 years recognized in Germany. Of course, you need to produce a logbook and things like that. The residency doesn't cost any money. It's completely free of cost. The procedure is relatively easy compared to other Western countries. Like I've said before, the most important thing is the language certificate. You have your B2 or C1 language certificate. The rest of it is just cakewalk and formalities. So this is the most, and you can get your B2 or C1 language certificate within a span of a year. Germany is one of the best countries to do your residencies, no doubt about that. There are amazing job opportunities. You can work literally in any city that you want, in any field that you want, that your heart desires. And once you finish your training, the pay is also very good. You can have a great family life in Germany. It's one of the safest countries to live and work in. And living in Germany is unlike anything you've experienced before. And I'm thankful that I was aware of the opportunities in Germany 11 years ago, that I was able to take it. Of course, now I work and live in Switzerland, which is also an amazing country. And if you're interested in doing your residence in Switzerland, it's slightly more difficult, but it is doable. And if you want to know more about this, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be posting more videos in the coming days and weeks. And maybe it'll be much more clearer about how to do your residency in Germany or in Switzerland. If you have any comments or questions, post them in the comment section below, and I will try to answer most of them. So thank you for listening, and